Hi, this is Zoomlion in Saudi Arabia. I have been working as a service engineer for almost 3 years. Early to rise is my daily routine. I'm used to getting everything ready in the morning. Many people say we service engineers are the ones on the front lines. We got eyes inside every machines. We always solve problems to keep your business moving forward. I have been working flat out and tirelessly, trying my best to support from a robust parts network to warranty programs that minimize machine costs and downtime, giving it a second life. Every time I successfully complete a service, I felt extremely satisfied and proud when I see the blissed out smiles creeping up customers' cheeks. When the customers patted me on the shoulder and said, "You made my day," it feels good to be believed in.